If you need to crop and resize images quickly without opening a complicated editor, Pixlr Express is a great option. In this video, I'll show you how to crop and resize images in Pixlr Express step by step, so you can get the exact size and shape you need for social media, thumbnails, profiles, or any other project. And if you want more simple tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Pixlr Express in your browser or app. Then click Open Image and upload the photo you want to edit. Once your image loads, you'll see the editing workspace, and from here, the first thing you want to do is open the crop panel. The crop tool is where you can trim away extra space, change the composition, and prepare your image for a specific format. When the crop panel opens, you'll notice several controls available. You can manually adjust the width and height by dragging the side handles on the screen. This is useful if you want full control over the crop area and want to frame the image exactly the way you like. You can move the crop box around until the subject is centered or until the important part of the image fits neatly inside the frame. If you want a more precise crop, turn on the aspect toggle. This lets you create a fixed ratio, which is really helpful when you need your image to match a specific size. For example, if you're creating a post for Instagram, a banner for YouTube, or a profile image, using a fixed aspect ratio helps keep everything consistent. Instead of guessing, you can lock the proportions and work much faster. Pixlr Express also gives you extra editing options while you're cropping. You can rotate the image if it's tilted, or flip it horizontally or vertically if needed. These small adjustments can make a big difference, especially if your photo was taken at an angle or if the subject is facing the wrong direction. Now, if you want an even easier way to change the image size for a specific platform, check out the Smart Resize option. This feature includes many more presets related to social media, which makes it much easier to prepare your image for different formats without manually checking dimensions every time. Whether you need a square image, a story format, or another common layout, Smart Resize can save you a lot of time. Once you've finished adjusting the crop, aspect ratio, rotation, or resize settings, review the image one last time to make sure everything looks clean and properly framed. Then apply the changes and save your edited image. That's it. You've now learned how to crop and resize images in Pixlr Express in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.